Good morning. Today we're going to be working on the C and the K letters again, deciding how do we know what word we're going to start with. Is it a C or a K when you hear the word K? So today, I know we went over it last week, but just to remind you, if you want to write it down, the letters that go with C are A, O, and U. Okay, the letters that go with K are I and E. Okay, so we're going to begin. Again, I want to repeat it again in case you want to write it down. Okay, the letters that go with C, when you hear the K, and it would be A, U, and O. Okay, I could show you right here. Just right there. The letters that go with C are A, U, and O. The letters that go with K are I and E. Okay? Today, I want you to take out a piece of paper. I'm going to give you some words and you're going to write it down and you're going to figure out if it's with a C or a K with what you wrote down. Hopefully you wrote it down, okay? If not, pause the video and go back and write it down. Okay, so today I'm going to give you the words, okay, parents? Please try to not help them. Let them do it by themselves. We kind of want to get an idea of where they're at to see what help we can give them during this time, them doing it by themselves, okay? So please, parents, try not to help them. Let them write it down by themselves, okay? First word, it's going to be cut, cut, cut. Remember to tap it out. K-a-t. Next one, it's kit, kit. I have a first aid kit. Ready? K-it. Next one, cat, k-at. Next one, cup, k-up. Boys and girls, if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause it, click on your space bar or pause the video so you can write it down, okay? Next one, kid. You are a kid. K-id, kid. Next one, can, k-a-n, can. Next one, this one has the bossy E, okay? Remember we did it last week. Kite, I'm sorry, it's kite. Kite, kite. Don't forget the bossy E. So go ahead and write those down. Send me a message. Send me a picture of it on Class Dojo, and we're gonna find out to see how we're doing it, okay? If you need help, that's why we're here to help you, okay? We miss you. Bye.